What's up guys, welcome back to the channel. If you're new here, I'm Efren, and on this channel we talk about trucks, gear, and staying prepared for whatever life throws at us.
Tacticool Drive, it's a lifestyle, yeah. Gear pack around with bill for this. From the garage to the wilderness, if you live that life, you know the vibe. Tacticool Drive, yeah, we outside.
It's been a minute since I've done a product review or install. I recently came across an interesting product. It's the Holster Gator mount.
Is the Holster Gator. It's a simple way to securely mount your holster anywhere you need it. The Holster Gator locks into the holster clip that you already use. Mount it on your nightstand, desk, wall, or inside your car. Your holster stays locked into place, but you can still get a full grip and a clean draw every single time. When seconds matter, where you need it, when you need it.
And today, we're installing it in the Ranger Raptor. Now this isn't some crazy mod. This isn't a horsepower upgrade. But this might be one of the more important things you could add to your setup. Because for me, protection of my family is my responsibility. Nobody else is coming to do it for me. And that means being intentional about how I set up my gear. When you're in your vehicle, your setup matters. Where things are placed, how quickly you can access them, how consistent that access is, that all matters. Because if something ever happens, you don't want to be thinking. You want to be reacting. So today, we're installing this in the Ranger Raptor. Quick note before we get into it. The wireless hole puncher in the video is unloaded, safe, and there's no ammo around anywhere. Always handle your gear responsibly. We're keeping it clean, simple, and practical. So, the Holster Gator is basically a mounting system that lets you secure your holster in place, instead of just tossing it in a console or leaving it loose in the vehicle. You've got a couple install options: adhesive, screws, or both, depending on where you want to mount it. For me, I want something that's accessible, consistent, and out of the way. I don't want anything interfering with my driving, and I definitely don't want anything obvious. So, I'm gonna mount this thing right here. Before you stick it down or drill anything, take a second and sit in the seat. Reach for it, make sure it feels good. Because this isn't just about mounting something. It's about building muscle memory. Once you've got your spot, install is easy. Clean the surface, apply the adhesive, or mount it with screws. In this case, I'm just gonna use the adhesive and run it that way to see if I need to make any changes. Then, I'll lock it in with the screws. After install, your holster just slides into place. And that's it. Simple install. Now I know some people will look at something like this and think, do I really need that? Honestly, you hope you never do. But that's not the point. Being prepared isn't about fear. It's about responsibility. It's about knowing that if something ever does happen, you're not scrambling, you're not guessing, you're ready. And for me, having a consistent setup in the vehicle is just part of that. Now, I also want to give one of these away. We're getting really close to 1,000 subscribers on the channel, and I appreciate every single one of you that's been watching, commenting, and coming back. So here's what I'm going to do. I'm giving one of these Holster Gator mounts away. All you have to do is make sure you're subscribed, like this video, and drop a comment below. Let me know what you're driving or how you set up your vehicle. Once we hit 1,000 subscribers, I'll pick someone from the comments and send this out to you. At the end of the day, this is a simple install, but it's one of those things that just makes your setup better, more consistent, more intentional, more ready. If you guys got value out of this video, stick around. We've got more Ranger Raptor content, more gear, and more real-world setups coming. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you guys on the next one.